Bago ang tapatan ng dalawang panibagong kalahok, batiin muna natin ang malagyang karawan, ang nag-iisang Diyosa, Ann Curtis!
Dahil dyan,
Thank you
happy
so
birthday,
much.
Ann.
Thank you.
kantahan natin si Ann. Happy birthday, Ann.
Happy
Happy
birthday, Ann!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ann.
Thank you. Nawala yung tear, Ann.
Happy birthday, sis!
Thank you. We love you. I love you guys so much. I love my Showtime family so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Here's to another successful year of It's Showtime.
And congratulations sa movie, The
Yes.
Loved One.
Thank
Love
you.
one.
Thank you. Still
Congrats.
showing po. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng The Loved One. Thank
Lahat
you.
ng minulto nyo.
Oo, tsaka mag-uuwi yung mga OFW na naman dahil birthday.
Yes!
Welcome home sa
Maraming
lahat ng
salamat. My birthday is complete that I get to see you guys, ang ating madlang people. Thank you so much, Jollibee and Red Ribbon. And of course, sa flowers, sa lahat ng magmandong dadala ng flowers, maraming salamat po. Like, my birthday and my new year starts today.
Yes! Ano yung special wish mo na pwede mong i-share sa madlang people?
My special wish, I guess, yun lang talaga. I know super cliche siya, but just to have a healthy life.
Oh.
Yes, for all of
Diba?
for all of us.
Cliché.
Oh, talaga
Cliché.
yun. Oo.
Cliché.
Alam mo, ibig sabihin ng
Diba?
day.
Lagi naman natin ginagawa yun, pero, you know, I've come to realize how important it is talaga to be
Yeah.
healthy. Not only us, but our loved ones, our friends.
Yes.
Diba?
Like nandito si Dahlia.
Dahlia!
Dahlia! Welcome to Showtime!
Welcome to Showtime, baby!
Marunong ba siya mag-WhatsApp madlang people?
What's up, madlang people? Oo, marunong yan, pero bawal yata ngayon. Nanood lang siya.
Bawal sa Chinese New Year. Nakapungsoy kasi buhay nila.
Pero first time niya sa studio, so I'm happy.
Happy
Yes.
birthday!
Thank you so
birthday,
much. I
Ann.
love you guys. Thank you.
Happy 29th birthday.
Yes.
Looking fabulous as always. The loved one, Miss Ann Curtis. Happy birthday to you.